in the previous game. They're going to miss his services. Understand?
Play and a miss. Bit of swing. That one straight away. No.
Out of the...
Just like that, India is at a very softest.
cricket is a great...
Skewed off the outside edge. It went quickly. We know the inside edge. No. Drifts into the pad. Timing is good. We know the outfield is very, very quick. Lovely controlled boundary. Misses out that time around. Outside edge. Doesn't swing that time around and it's through. Timing is lightning. Beautifully played that time. That'll be the angle, but he's just thrown his hands at it. Missed away to the fence. And the trusting. Classy cover drive. Beautiful shot. Another one. Beautiful looking shot. Oh, beautiful. He's played some lovely shots. Into the pitch. It and us. Short of length. And he gets the gap now. Once you hit the gap, it's not really... Much better. Oh, slow one. Rolls his fingers over that. That final. Bangladesh. Oh, beautiful. And he's got him. That short of a length. Extra bit of zip off the surface. Shasha Afridi strikes. Steaming in. What a terrific delivery that is again. Just nips away from the left-hander. Short of length. Beats the outside edge. Into the pads. He turned away, exerted back on Bangladesh. Well, if one man can take... And just by that... And the outfield yet again comes to the party. Another boundary.
Shaheen Afridi to continue. Pavilion. And it's time Yunus.
Good afternoon. They're moving the ball away from the right-handers more.
Back to the game. Extra bounce. It's a super fast bowler. They're using the bouncer. That's good bowling. Wickets with the new ball. This is superbly timed. Just... There you go, that extra bounce again. Does well. Top edge. Should be another wicket. He calls for it. Harris Ruff. It's 50.
Been impressive.
With the new ball. They've done a job enough. Straight to gully on the bounce. Take your shots. A shot. Pakistan going in with... Because he doesn't have that pace, which probably... I think they've lost 3 early wickets. We've got enough matches really well. It's a different kind of a challenge. Harris Ruff back. Oh, he picks up another. Beaten by pace. That's what raw pace can do to you. Experience of Bangladeshi batters out there. Mushfiqur Rahim. Oh, that's beaten. He thought that it was a half. Fair idea of the pace. As the last delivery is even better. Nicely timed. This might race away. Top, well done, Shaheen. Like this, where there's not much for the help for the spinners. But when you have only 3 paces, you have that extra. Take it. And that's the Pakistan.
Here's another point. Why the captains are...
Absolutely. Then you've run
Down the leg side wide, but it's the pace bowler. So you know that slips down. Turned away, he gets the gap. The timing's okay, so it'll go to the fence. This time into the pitch. It's in the air, oh, just eluding that shortcut. And thus, he's bought for him. Bouncer.
Been batting brilliantly. Got an outside edge. And
Shadab Khan. Goes down with that sweep shot. He's very good against spin, and he got that boundary in front of square. Oh, Bangla. That's the length. He just... And just with that...
let's have a look at some of the competition.
Just hit away pass point. Made sure he walked into the stroke and created a better... Turned away leg side.
And Gidi to back them up with his variations.
Walks across a sweep shot.
Very crucial that, and they have to carry on. Nicely touched.
And see. And I'm sure
Well, his edge, very lucky. It sailed over the wicketkeeper. Once again, a pacey delivery from Naseem. Chopped it away nicely enough. That is a very well controlled, a very, very well manufactured shot by Shaki. Wow. And that sweep shot he employs so very well. So controlled. With that boundary, the 100 comes up for Bangladesh. Injury scared, and he drops. And that is a shot that's delectably played by Shakib Al Hasan. Just angle the bat, open. And then it's a slight overcompensation by that is his favorite area. But once he goes through the covers,
for the likes of Salman, well chipped. Will he find the boundary? Yes, he does. Bisects the 2D feet.
But what Babar would want is control. Right now, it's not.
Counter. Oh, that's hit in the gap as well. We're talking about the deficiency in Pakistan cricket. Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. Now that single will bring up another.
Yes, he's slightly up. The speed.
As Salman bowled an over, went for 11. Now he's pulled it. Is it long enough? No, it isn't. Wicket for Fahim. Needed to break the... I should get more runs here. And 4 of them. Nice.
Oh, overconfident Shamim. Overconfident and a little bit sloppy.
Got him. Now that is a massive wicket. Of Mushfiq could bring. The problem is he's against this big man, Haris Rauf, who's been out. Oh, smart thinking by putting 2 slip in the air, easy, every bowling job done and comfortably done.
Mustaqib, 64.
Managed bowlers was a little bit of a luxury delight in Lahore. He's looking for a big one.
Who averages.
Is going to partner him. That's runs. And once they look at the field,
Also pretty tight.
standing on the middle stump.
Goes for it.
Similar kind of deliveries. He was slightly off to a flyer.
Quick delivery, short ball, big appeal. Look at the pads turned over. And first over done.
About the adjustment Fakhar Zaman has over. All the Pakistani paces. Tashkina
190.
Yeah, he should.
With a horizontal back shot. There you go again. For a boundary, that's his go-to shot. Especially. This one this time, 2 shot, another 4.
Not worth his salt. Would be wanting to put fast bowling as an opener.
Again, this time a little higher. He's now.
Come up bouncer. But he was swivel. Very much
In this area, that's a good delivery. Why did you bowl those ones? Much better. Young man, only 23 years.
back in, big appeal. 5 things about it.
They can screen you for position.
Fakhar Zaman goes for 22. Look.
A special player, averaging all.
Every 9, he's got
The number 1 player that they have, but
his second power play. And that's another one, maybe a little bit of bad once again. I'm sure it's a little bit
and it's raced away to the back edges. The
action of spectators here with the Gaddafi. 30. The outside part of the bat. Little bit of a fumble.
keep these mistakes up.
In that region, the line, that's not going to help. That should have been only 1. That's better. Much.
Bowling. Doing Babar Azam on that.
Did play a bit low.
One likes this position. Love.
crossing the pitch.
Being pumped over square leg. Nice length.
Sure.
And force behind that to do. Hard working. It's going to be Matthias and Mira. Asking the question. Ahead.
3 DRS off the wicket. He wants,
Despite the heat. That's cheeky. All the way. It's angling back on its way.
and now we see the same from Rizwan.
Try and make the difference. A short, and that's dragged away.
Has taken his another good innings from Imam on the shorter side again.
Carries on with the job on.
Teamers, problem comes by Imam.
Well, no, he knows that ball.
Sweep shot in the air. It's good batting. Bounce.
That is good batting. Like Imam in the previous over, opportunity.
Goes again.
An India game coming up on the 10th.
Angle back, just the inside edge. That's turned away. The slightly short and the pull shot comes.
Thought short and just hitting it over the mid wicket.
Rolling.
Yeah, that's better. That's good cricket from Imam.
Picking length. It's a nicey. That's good cricket. Nice.
Pull him. He tries to go off sweep. Doesn't work.
But a wonderful inning comes to an end.
Thought about just accelerate. The edge, you outside edge. Races
Than that. Looking to the seam and just really troubled.
Has a good technique. Reverse employed. Yeah, it's ball wins the race.
Really done. Big victory set up by the bowlers.